Patent strategies for autonomous vehicle emergency and collision avoidance systems. These systems rely on complex sensor arrays, including LiDAR, radar, cameras, and ultrasonics. They process data in real time, making split-second decisions. Remember, we're dealing with various levels of automation, from level 2 to fully autonomous level 5 vehicles. We're seeing a shift towards human-centric safety approaches and collaborative technologies like V2X communication. Ethical AI for decision-making is crucial, as is ensuring regulatory compliance and contributing to standard setting. The field is crowded, so establishing novelty is key. We must overcome obviousness hurdles and ensure our applications are clear and comprehensive. Including multiple embodiments can strengthen our position. Drafting robust patent applications is an art. Precision and clarity are paramount when detailing the invention. You should future-proof our claims and use provisos and limitations strategically. Innovations must comply with safety standards. You also need to address data privacy issues and consider user consent, especially given the data-intensive nature of these systems. Going global requires a smart strategy. The Patent Cooperation Treaty can be a valuable tool. You need to understand the nuances of different jurisdictions and file strategically in key markets. Don't forget to leverage regional patent systems where applicable. Auxiliary innovations include driver-passenger interaction systems, V2V and V2I communication protocols, augmented reality applications, and IoT solutions for predictive maintenance. Software and AI are at the heart of modern collision avoidance systems. We're seeing a shift towards machine learning and AI-driven models. Remember, patenting software comes with unique challenges. We should also consider how to protect our data sets and training models. Post-collision response systems are an often overlooked area ripe for innovation. We need to focus on immediate response mechanisms, data collection for investigations, and seamless integration with emergency services. Looking to the future, we anticipate further integration of V2X systems and enhanced use of augmented reality. Ethical considerations in AI decision-making will become increasingly important. Robust patenting strategies are crucial in this rapidly evolving field. Success lies in balancing technological innovation, safety considerations, and legal protections. The road ahead is challenging, but the potential rewards are immense. We at Patent PC are a full-service law firm offering legal services and solutions to clients globally and can help you with all your patenting needs.